When you need assistance with your investment accounts, retirement plans, or general brokerage services, reaching out to Vanguard's client services team effectively is essential. The primary and most direct way to get in touch with Vanguard customer support is by phone. For personal investors managing general brokerage accounts, IRAs, or small business accounts, you can call their main client services line at 877-662-7447. This service line is generally available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. If you are a retirement plan participant needing specific help with an employer-sponsored account like a 401k, a dedicated support line is available at 800-523-1188. Institutional investors and financial advisors also have separate, dedicated phone channels to ensure efficient routing. For instance, institutional investors can reach out at 800-523-1036, while registered financial advisors can call 800-997-2798. In addition to phone support, you can contact Vanguard securely online. By logging into your account through the official Vanguard website, you gain access to secure messaging options. This digital route is ideal for non-agent account inquiries, document submissions, or specific technical questions regarding your portfolio dashboard. Utilizing the Secure Message Center ensures that your personal and financial information remains protected while communicating directly with a support representative. For quick answers without waiting on hold, the Vanguard Support Center and online FAQ database on their website provide immediate guidance on common topics such as tax forms, dividend details, cost basis reporting, and general account navigation. Reviewing these online resources can often resolve standard administrative questions much faster than speaking over the phone. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.